Today, we're going to explore something truly amazing, something that has been used for centuries but is now gaining popularity because of its incredible benefits. Moringa tea. Yes, Moringa tea. You might be wondering, what is so special about this tea? Stay with me, and you'll soon find out why Moringa is often called the miracle tree. But first, let me grab your attention with a little secret. What if I told you that drinking a simple cup of moringa tea could transform your health in numerous ways? Intrigued? Let's dive in and discover the wonders of this extraordinary plant. Before we get into the amazing benefits, let me tell you how simple it is to prepare moringa tea. Just boil a liter of water, turn off the heat, and add a teaspoon of moringa leaves. Let it steep for about 5 minutes and enjoy. Now that you know how to prepare it, let's talk about why you should make it a part of your daily routine. Imagine a plant so rich in nutrients that it can meet many of your nutritional needs. Yes, moringa is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. One serving of moringa leaves provides a substantial amount of vitamins A, C, and E, along with minerals like calcium and potassium. Why is this important? As we get older, maintaining a good nutritional balance becomes crucial for overall health. Moringa helps fill the gaps in your diet, ensuring you get the essential nutrients every day. Isn't it wonderful to know that a simple cup of tea can be so beneficial? But the wonders of moringa don't stop there. Let's move to our next surprising benefit. Can you guess what it is? Here's a clue. It's related to your blood. Moringa leaves are incredibly high in iron. In fact, they contain about 105 milligrams of iron per 100 grams. This can significantly help in preventing and treating anemia, especially if it's caused by iron deficiency. Anemia can make you feel tired and weak, but incorporating moringa into your diet can boost your red blood cell production and keep you feeling energetic and healthy. How fascinating is that? Ready for another surprise? Our next benefit is something that everyone wishes for, especially during these times. It's about keeping you strong and resilient. Moringa is packed with vitamin C, polyphenols, and beta-carotenes, which are known to strengthen your immune system. These compounds help increase the body's natural defenses against illnesses. So drinking moringa tea regularly can help you stay healthy and ward off common infections. Isn't it amazing to have a natural way to boost your immunity and keep diseases at bay? Now, let's move on to a benefit that could bring immediate relief to many of us. It's something that can help you feel better on those tough days. Ready? Moringa contains bioactive compounds like isothiocyanates, quercetin, and chlorogenic acid, which have powerful anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects. This means moringa can help reduce inflammation and pain, making it a great natural remedy for conditions like arthritis, rheumatism, and even prostate inflammation. Imagine easing your pain with a natural tea. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? Moving on, let's discuss a benefit that many people, especially those over 45, are keenly interested in. It's about looking good and feeling confident. Thanks to its high levels of B-complex vitamins and vitamins C, E, and A, moringa helps stimulate collagen production, promotes healing, and keeps your skin hydrated. This means regular consumption of moringa tea can help protect your skin from aging, making you look younger and more radiant. Isn't it wonderful to sip tea and get a natural glow at the same time? Now, who wouldn't want a benefit that helps with something as essential as digestion? Especially as you age, good digestive health is key to overall well-being. Moringa can help with various digestive issues. It can relieve constipation, thanks to its high fiber content, and even help treat stomach ulcers. It also promotes healthy circulation, which can be particularly helpful in treating hemorrhoids. A cup of moringa tea is a natural way to keep your digestive system in good shape. Doesn't that sound relieving? Many of us are always looking for ways to maintain a healthy weight. Moringa might just be the answer you're looking for. Believe it or not, moringa can assist in weight loss. It's rich in fiber and protein, which help you feel full for longer, reducing your cravings for high-calorie foods. Some animal studies have shown that moringa can help burn accumulated fat, making it an excellent complement to your weight loss plan. Let that sink in. A tea that helps you lose weight naturally. Feeling tired and fatigued, moringa has an amazing benefit that can help with that too. Moringa is known to improve physical performance and reduce muscle fatigue. It helps delay the depletion of muscle glycogen reserves and reduces the accumulation of substances like lactate that cause muscle wear. This makes moringa a great supplement for those who engage in intense training or sports. Imagine feeling more energetic and less tired after your workouts. Isn't that what we all need? Let's not forget about our eyes. Good vision is crucial, and moringa has a benefit that caters to that as well. Moringa is rich in beta-carotenes, which are essential for eye health. Beta-carotenes are converted into vitamin A in the body, which helps maintain good vision and protects against eye diseases. Regularly drinking moringa tea can help keep your eyes healthy and sparkling. Isn't it fantastic to know that something so simple can protect such an important part of your body? Here's one of the most profound benefits of moringa: its potential role in cancer prevention. Several studies suggest that moringa has anti-carcinogenic properties. Compounds in moringa appear to stimulate the destruction of malignant cells, especially in the breasts and intestines. Regular consumption of moringa can potentially help in preventing cancer by promoting a healthy cellular environment and combating oxidative stress. Consider that a natural way to help guard against one of the most feared diseases. As we age, maintaining strong bones becomes crucial. Could moringa help with that too? Absolutely. Moringa is rich in calcium and other minerals that are essential for bone health. This makes it an excellent supplement to prevent conditions like osteoporosis, which can lead to weak bones and fractures. Drinking moringa tea regularly can help maintain the strength and integrity of your bones, allowing you to stay active and independent. Imagine a simple tea helping you keep your bones strong and healthy. Let's talk about an organ that plays a vital role in detoxifying our bodies: the liver. How does moringa contribute here? Moringa contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory substances that help maintain liver health. It improves the liver's functions and has a preventive and therapeutic effect on conditions like fatty liver disease. A healthy liver is essential for overall well-being, and moringa can be a natural way to support its health. Isn't it wonderful to know that this simple tea can help keep such an important organ in good shape? For women, menopause can bring a range of uncomfortable symptoms. Thankfully, moringa offers a natural way to ease this transition. Moringa helps manage hormone levels during menopause, reducing the intensity of symptoms like inflammation and oxidative stress. Drinking moringa tea regularly can help you feel more balanced and comfortable during this phase of life. Imagine finding natural relief from menopause symptoms. It's like a breath of fresh air. Lastly, let's explore how moringa supports overall longevity and healthy aging. With its rich antioxidant content, moringa fights oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to aging. By reducing oxidative damage, moringa helps keep your cells healthy and supports overall longevity. It also promotes a healthy immune system, which is crucial for aging gracefully. Imagine maintaining your vitality and health well into your later years, simply by enjoying a cup of tea. As you can see, moringa tea is not just a simple beverage. It's a powerhouse of nutrition and health benefits, waiting to transform your life. From boosting immunity and protecting your liver to easing menopause symptoms and promoting healthy aging, moringa has it all. But wait, there's more. Imagine combining moringa with another potent natural ingredient. It has been said that mixing moringa with another specific plant can unlock even more incredible benefits. Curious? Click on the video appearing on your screen right now to find out how you can maximize the benefits of Vive Moringa tea and take your health to the next level. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Thank you for watching. Remember to take care of your health and stay curious about the natural wonders around us. See you in the next video.